Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make the battery icon larger on Android. So maybe you just find your battery icon maybe a little bit smaller. So I'm going to show you how to actually change it to look bigger and larger. So first thing, you have to open up your phone settings, right, and scroll all the way down to about phone. Click on that and click on software information and click on build number. You have to tap on that for 7 times, but mine have already been activated. So after doing that, they're going to send you a message. You can see it under there, and you just have to close up your app and open up settings again. Scroll down to developers options, click on that and scroll down carefully under drawing section. So keep scrolling. So right here you can see minimum width. You have to click on that, and now you have from 300 to 400. So once the number is going down, it's going to become larger, but once it's going up to 400, it's going to be smaller. So let's try it. Mine is already in 400. I think this is the large, this is the smallest it can go, so we're going to make it bigger. So 320. Okay, and you can see it has become bigger. Even my text became bigger, so I can actually reduce that to 380, and let's wait for it change. You can see it's actually like a medium. So this is how it works. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.